Vision Datum's iSpeedy cameras are designed to capture extremely fast-moving scenes, featuring an ultra-high frame rate of thousands to millions of frames per second, clearly presenting each detail in high-speed motion. Next, we'll display each component we provide together with the camera. First is the camera body, followed by a sturdy mounting adapter that ensures smooth lens installation. Then is the power and GigE cable, providing stable data transmission. Lastly is the high-quality lens that matches the camera's performance. Each component has been thoroughly inspected to ensure its best condition before use. Vision Datum iSpeedy cameras are being widely used in materials testing, fluid dynamics, combustion research, automotive, aerospace, and crash testing. Welcome to Inquire Us.